Welcome to the Home Drive tutorial. The Home Drive is a network drive that allows computer users to store documents on the College of Liberal Arts server. An advantage to storing documents on your home drive is that the servers are backed up, so there is no issues with lost data. Another advantage is being able to access the H drive from any College of Liberal Arts computer. In other words, if the computer you're working on crashes, you will still have access to your work materials. This demonstration is on a Windows 7 machine. Starting from the desktop, one way to navigate to the home drive is to open the Start menu and choose Computer on the right-hand side of the Start menu. Here, several drives will be displayed. They may be displayed in a different manner in which you are seeing. To change the view or how they are displayed, in the top right-hand corner there is an option to change the view. By clicking this, you'll see different ways of displaying the drives. The C drive is the computer's local drive. That means all the documents stored on it are not backed up on the server. Beneath the hard disk drives, there might be devices with removable storage. This could include any USB thumb drives you may be using. Lastly, there are the network drives, and depending on your CLA account, you may see different network locations. However, everyone should have a home drive under network locations. Your home drive should be listed as your H drive. This drive will also be listed with your CLA username. By double-clicking the drive, you will open it. Everything inside of this drive will be backed up. We want to move some important research to our H drive to keep it safe. To do that, we must find the documents or folder we wish to move. If the object is not located on the desktop, likely it is in My Documents folder. By clicking on the Start menu and choosing Documents on the right-hand side of the Start menu, we will see another window Explorer open, and with the documents listed. The document I want to back up is inside of my Research folder. However, also inside of it is an audio file of soothing factory noises which was not work-related and should not be moved to the H drive. I'll have to open the Research folder and either drag over the document to the H drive or right-click, choose Copy, and paste to the H drive. It is important to note that with either of these methods, the document I'm moving over is duplicated. There will now be a research paper in my Research Papers folder in my Documents and a research paper in my home drive. If I edit the Word file in my Documents, it will not alter the version in my home drive, and vice versa. They are now two separate files. You can work from your home drive, and we encourage you to do this. If I open the file in my Documents, you can see that the changes I made in my home drive did not apply. But if we open that document from any CLA computer through the home drive, we will see those changes. It may be wise to create a folder inside of your documents, like Do Not Work From, to remind you not to work from your C drive. To help us work from only the home drive and not the C drive, we can create a desktop shortcut to our home drive. By right-clicking on the desktop, we can choose New, and then Shortcut. You will be asked where you wish the shortcut to point to. Knowing that our home drive is buried within our computer, we have to expand the Computer tab before we see the home drive that we can select. Once we have selected the home drive, we can click OK, and then Next, and then Finished, and our shortcut will now be pointed towards our home drive. You can create as many shortcuts as you want. Here I'm testing one that I created on my desktop. The changes I made earlier have been saved. Everything looks good. Thank you for watching the home drive tutorial.